Hey YouTubers! Are you ready to take your content creation to the next level? Tired of spending hours creating videos from scratch? Struggling with the endless cycle of scripting, editing, and perfecting every detail? Well, it's time to revolutionize your YouTube game with AI video generators. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your content more engaging. Let me introduce you to invideo AI, the future of video creation. Imagine this, a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you. You type a simple text prompt and boom, the magic begins. invideo AI writes the script, creates scenes, adds generative media, voiceovers, subtitles, and sound effects. It's like having a full production team at your fingertips. Within minutes, you have a complete polished video ready to share with the world. No more late nights or endless revisions. Why waste time on tedious editing when you can focus on what truly matters, creating engaging content? Imagine the freedom to brainstorm new ideas while the AI handles the rest. invideo AI is your secret weapon for YouTube automation. It's like having a creative partner who never sleeps. Whether you're a vlogger, gamer, educator, or business owner, this tool will change the way you create videos. It's versatile and adaptable to any niche. Let's break down some killer features. First, script writing. The AI understands your prompts and generates compelling narratives that keep your audience hooked. Next, scene creation. It uses generative media to produce stunning visuals that match your script perfectly. Imagine having visually captivating scenes without lifting a finger. The AI ensures that every visual element aligns seamlessly with your narrative, creating a cohesive and engaging video experience. But wait, there's more. invideo AI adds voiceovers using natural-sounding synthetic voices. These voices are so realistic your audience won't even know it's AI. No more monotone, robotic narrations. Your videos will sound professional and engaging, keeping viewers hooked from start to finish. And it doesn't stop there. The AI also integrates subtitles and sound effects automatically. Subtitles and sound effects are automatically integrated, making your videos more accessible and engaging. This means your content can reach a wider audience, including those who prefer watching with subtitles. You might be thinking, this sounds complicated. Trust me, it's not. invideo AI is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. invideo AI is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to create professional-quality videos. Plus, there's a mobile app, so you can create videos on the go. Whether you're traveling or just out and about, you can keep your content creation momentum going. Imagine editing your next video while sipping coffee at your favorite cafe. Sounds awesome, right? The convenience is unmatched. Alright, so how do you get started? It's simple. Click the link below to sign up for free. Yes, you heard that right. It's free. No hidden costs or complicated sign-up processes. Yes, you heard that right. It's free. Take advantage of this opportunity to elevate your content without breaking the bank. Unleash the power of AI and take your YouTube channel to the next level. Imagine the growth and engagement you'll achieve with high-quality, AI-generated videos. So, what are you waiting for? The future of video creation is here, and it's accessible to everyone. Revolutionize your YouTube channel with invideo AI. Create videos that shine and save tons of time. Your audience will notice the difference. Create videos that shine and save tons of time. Focus on your passion while the AI handles the rest. Hit the link below and get started today. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your YouTube game. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Until next time, happy creating. Keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity and let AI be your guide.